Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a construction logo. First, clearly define your brand's identity. What message do you want your logo to convey? Consider your target audience and what resonates with them. Next, research existing construction logos to understand current trends and identify opportunities for a unique design. Finally, begin sketching your initial concepts on paper. This helps you explore various shapes and symbols before moving to digital tools. Now let's focus on the visual elements. Color plays a crucial role. Blues often signify trust, while yellows suggest energy. Select a palette that reflects your company's values. For typography, choose fonts that are legible and convey professionalism, perhaps a strong sans serif. Finally, integrate symbols that are directly related to construction, such as a hammer, a wrench, or a building silhouette, to make your logo instantly recognizable. When it comes to execution, you have several options. Professional software like Adobe Illustrator offers extensive control for creating vector-based logos that scale perfectly. If you need a quicker solution, online logo makers can provide good starting points with templates. However, for a truly unique and impactful design, consider investing in a professional graphic designer. They can bring your vision to life with expertise and creativity, ensuring a polished final product. After your logo is designed, it's time for final checks. Test its appearance on different backgrounds, sizes, and materials, from business cards to vehicle wraps. Ensure it looks great in both color and black and white. A versatile logo is key for consistent branding. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Once finalized, protect your brand by registering your logo and consistently applying it across all your marketing materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.